Looking to clear your yard without the hassle of cords or gas? In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best cordless leaf blowers you can buy right now. Whether you need lightweight convenience, powerful airflow, or long battery life, we've got something for everyone. We've compared performance, battery runtime, features, and value for money to bring you this list. So stick around to find the perfect one for your needs. All the product links are listed in the description below, so you can check current prices and customer reviews. Let's get started. 5. Greenworks BL80L2515. Experience the power of the 80-volt commercial-grade leaf blower. Engineered to outperform 27cc gas blowers without the noise, fumes, or hassle of pull cords. Ideal for large yards and tough wet leaf cleanup, it delivers an impressive 700 CFM and 170 mph turbo boost, clearing debris 50% faster than standard models. The advanced brushless motor offers a 30% longer lifespan and runs 40% quieter, just 74 dB, making it perfect for noise-sensitive neighborhoods. With smart variable speed control and cruise control, you can easily adjust power on the go, saving up to 20% battery life during extended jobs. Plus, enjoy zero maintenance, no fuel, oil, or costly repairs. Just clean, efficient performance every time. 4. Milwaukee M18. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 120 mph, 450 CFM, 18-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless handheld blower delivers powerful performance in a compact, easy-to-handle design. Featuring a high-efficiency brushless motor, this blower reaches speeds up to 120 mph and produces 450 CFM of air volume, making it ideal for clearing leaves, debris, and grass clippings from hard surfaces. Its cordless design, powered by Milwaukee's M18 battery system, sold separately, offers the convenience of mobility without sacrificing power. Designed for durability and user comfort, it includes a variable speed trigger for precise control and a lightweight body for reduced fatigue during extended use. Perfect for both professionals and homeowners, this blower combines performance, efficiency, and versatility in one rugged tool. 3. EGO Power Plus LB5302. The EGO leaf blower delivers powerful performance with turbo mode, providing up to 530 CFM of airflow and air speeds reaching 110 mph to tackle tough debris like wet leaves and caked-on grass. Powered by a 2.5-hour ARC lithium battery, it offers up to 75 minutes of runtime on a single charge and is compatible with all EGO 56-volt ARC lithium batteries for added flexibility. The variable speed dial lets you fine-tune the airflow from 260 to 400 CFM, giving you full control over your yard work. Built with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this blower ensures longer runtimes, reduced vibration, and a longer motor lifespan. 2. GEVEELIFE. Experience unmatched yard cleaning power with our advanced cordless leaf blower. Engineered with turbo technology and an axial fan design that delivers up to 650 CFM of airflow, perfect for tackling large piles of leaves and stubborn debris. Equipped with two 20-volt 5.0-hour batteries and a fast charger, it offers up to 150 minutes of runtime on low speed. Note, batteries are not compatible with DeWalt. Weighing just 4.4 pounds, its lightweight, ergonomic design features a non-slip handle and shoulder strap for comfortable, fatigue-free use. With 3 adjustable speed settings, this versatile blower is ideal for clearing yards, decks, garages, and porches. The package includes everything you need: blower body, tube, extension nozzle, dual batteries, fast charger, shoulder strap, chassis, and user manual, plus a 2-year warranty and responsive customer support for peace of mind. 1. LAZYBOI LA8008. Upgrade your yard care routine with the LAZYBOI cordless leaf blower, designed to make outdoor cleanup faster, easier, and more efficient. Featuring 2 high-capacity 21-volt 2.0 Ah batteries and advanced turbo technology that reaches up to 150 mph, this leaf blower delivers powerful performance without the noise, weight, or restrictions of traditional models. The quick 1-hour charging time, LED charging indicators, and included fast charger ensure you're always ready to go. While the lightweight 3.5-pound ergonomic design with a non-slip rubber grip reduces fatigue by 30% for comfortable one-handed operation. Built-in overheat protection and battery care guidelines help extend battery life and maintain safe operation. Whether you're gifting it or using it yourself, the LAZYBOI blower is a smart and reliable choice, backed by a 12-month warranty and dedicated customer support. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best cordless leaf blowers you can get your hands on right now. Whether you need power, portability, or just a budget-friendly option for your yard, there's something here for everyone. If any of these caught your eye, you'll find direct links to each product down in the description below. So feel free to check them out and see which one fits your needs best. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you out, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and let me know in the comments which leaf blower you're thinking of getting. Or if you've got a favorite I didn't cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.